Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to this property tour that we're about to do. This is 2733 West 38th Street in Chicago. This property is $399,000. It has 5 bedrooms, 3 in the first floor, 2 in the basement, and it also has 2 baths, 2,200 square feet. Let's go take a look at this amazing property on the south side of Chicago. Follow me. Hi. See the magic of TV. Come on in. Come on in. So welcome to this beautiful home. We're going to do a nice little property tour here. And first and foremost, we're on the south side of Chicago. We're a couple of minutes away from the airport. Okay. We're just about on the cusp of the 35 and California, if you're familiar. And there's a lot of really good taco places around here. A lot of schools, a lot of churches. You'll see in the video, you probably already saw in the video that there's a church just like around the corner from the place. But we're inside. This is it. It's newly rehabbed. I think it is done really well so far from what I've been able to see here. You got cathedral ceilings. We have can lighting. And then I know this is a quartz countertop for the kitchen. But you can't really beat it. Now, I mentioned earlier that the price of this place is $399. I do know the property taxes, because we're on the south side of Chicago, are extremely low. I'll put the property taxes in the comments below. But we're going to take you through and just kind of give you a quick one-over. So I have a surprise for you. The camera lady behind right now is my wife. She's a realtor on the team. Her name is Vernice. Vernice, you want to say hi?
Hi, everyone.
Okay. And we're going to go ahead and we'll start from here, and we'll go that way. So Vernice, if you want to come over here, so we can just give people the whole look and tour of the property. So check this out. You can stay right there. I'm going to walk all the way over here, and I'm going to tell you what I'm passing as I'm coming through this very long stretchway of house. So we came in through there, okay? Right when you come in, this is your living room, dining room area. So living room, dining room area, okay? Over here, which you'll see me do this now, this is how you get to the basement, which is fully finished, okay? We have vents here on the bottom for heating, and of course, this is the tallest part of the ceiling in the home. And like I said, living room space, you're probably putting your TV over here, but as you walk here, you have your dining area, and then of course, we're in the kitchen. So to show you how big the kitchen is and how big the house is, I'm going to use somebody who's a little bit shorter than I am, so you can see what it looks like. So Vernice,
I see where this is.
You ready? We're going to have you walk around. You ready? Give it the walk around.
Okay.
There you go. So there's Vernice. We're going to follow Vernice. Pretty nice place. What do you think?
I love it. When I walked in, I mean, I know I'm short, but the cathedral ceilings were definitely like a big deal, because, it makes it feel like you're outside, but you're not. I just like how high it is.
Yeah. Where would you put the TV? Would you put it on that wall like I mentioned, or what?
Maybe this wall right here.
You would put over there?
People can come, so you can have a sectional maybe.
Okay.
It depends where you want to put the table. But it's nice. I really like the height here. And look at all these can lightings all the way down.
Yeah, I enjoy it. So you're putting the TV over here on this wall?
Yeah, I think so.
Guys, put in the comments if you agree that you would put the TV there, especially like if you're going to put a table here for like, for dinner. I think that's good, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a look at the kitchen really quick, if that's cool. Bernice, after you. I do like the fact that they have that there, this cabinet. So like if you have people over and you need to get your forks and spoons and stuff like that, you're there.
Yeah,
I think
we
that's
have some on the other side too.
Yeah, they got them on the other side too, right? So let's take a look at the kitchen. We'll stop and we'll take a look at the kitchen. What do you think? Functionality-wise, Vernice, do you personally like the way the kitchen is set up? You?
Yeah, because I can cook here and talk to the comadres over there, las primas, have a party. So I do like that. And then the counter is very wide. It's not like the narrow sometimes,
Yeah, I did notice that.
So you can have people on both sides. There's even room for stools on that side.
Yeah, like everybody can help cut the vegetables on these, right?
The tamales, bro.
The tamales? Oh, okay,
Make
okay.
the tamales,
That's
somebody
tamales.
here.
For all of you people out there doing tamales, We have official tamale space from Vernice.
Yeah, and these are all stainless steel appliances. We have the dishwasher. Look at the stove. I mean, like for people that love to cook, look at this.
Yeah, that is
It's
nice.
amazing. Obviously, matching microwave, and then obviously the high-end Samsung refrigerator over
Yeah,
there.
that right. Whenever people get excited when they see Samsung, they're always like,
I
"Is
like
it
it. I like Samsung.
So this space over here, okay, microwave. I'm assuming, right?
Yeah,
Or maybe
coffee
like
nook, tea,
coffee station.
something like that. Yeah.
All right, there is something that I want to show you guys. We're on the south side of Chicago, right? The houses are all different. So what's behind this door? Well, you notice that there's a lock on it, right? I unlocked it, by the way. We're on the outside here. Okay, that's the outside. There's the garage. I'll take a little step out. But automatically, there is the garage, and then we'll do a little bit here of the gangway. All right, here is the gangway. There it is there. Now we're gonna come back in. You know, neighborhoods lived in. You know what I mean?
Yep.
So when we came in, we passed a couple of rooms.
Yes.
What rooms did we pass?
The 3 bedrooms. Well, one's behind us, but here's one.
Okay. Here we'll go to this bedroom first, like you mentioned, right? So here's one bedroom. So right off the bathroom, you have a bedroom. Okay. You got nice LED lighting. Closets are a decent size, right? You know, city living, the closets are decent. What else we got? We got the bathroom over here, right? Let's take a look at this bathroom.
Nice and bright, tall
It
ceilings
is.
as well.
It is nice and bright. Look at this. Very clean. Very clean. I do like. Okay.
It has a nook for the shampoo to your left.
Here, Vernice, here you go. I want to have you hold on to this real quick.
Sure.
There, so I can give people. I want people to have the real world.
Yeah, the feel for.
So for those of you right now watching, okay, if you go in the comments section, you're going to see that there's a link to reach out to us so that we can help you either buy or sell a house. And then there's 3 links that'll lead you to free ebooks that are going to be about how to buy a house, like the ultimate house buying guide, how to buy a house with down payment assistance, how to get a house with your tax return money, like what's the best way to spend the money, and then also how to list your house for the maximum value. Those are free. Go ahead and download those right now if you can. But they're in the link in the bio. If you're on Facebook, they're on my Facebook page. You'll see these. Okay, you'll see these. But let's go to the bedroom number 3, no?
Yeah.
Here is the 3rd bedroom. The master bedroom.
There you go. It's
There
coming
you go.
in.
Yeah, you can come on in. See that? This is the master bedroom. I would say you can put a queen size bed in here and you'll be fine. If you put a queen size bed in here, this is how much space you're taking of the room probably. And then your dresser is going to have to go along the wall here. A king size bed's probably the best for this room because then you'll have space over here. But this is your closet. You know, the workers still have some other stuff here, so just, you know, please pardon our dust, as they say in French. But you know, this is a lot of space.
Yeah, they can always
So
add shelving or.
Vernice, you can have everything from here that way, and I'll put my little suits over
right
here.
there. Okay, perfect.
You know what I mean? Over here. Where do you think we should take them to the basement now, or what?
Yeah, but I look at these windows. They're brand new. They still have the sticker on them.
Still have the good. Still have the sticker. And look,
Yeah, close it up.
look.
Privacy.
Don't be looking at us. Y'all don't need to know what happens. You don't need to know none of that. We're gonna head down to the basement, which is this way. We do have there are financing options with this place. Of course, FHA conventional. If you have a VA loan will work here. There are down payment assistance grants that this will qualify for. And just so you know, when it comes to grants, not only you're probably more worried about whether or not you qualify for the grant. Just because there's grants doesn't mean everybody can get them. You have to apply for those grants just like you would have to apply for the mortgage loan. So what we'll do, I will take this, and Vernice, you can go down the stairs.
Cool. All right.
And we will follow you to the basement.
Let's go to the basement. I like that it's open. There's no wall, so that's nice. Nice neutral colors on the wall.
There you go.
And you don't know how big it is until you walk it, right? So
Right.
this could be easily like a family room or whatnot.
So what is that right there?
Maybe the mechanicals, we don't know. Let's find out what's behind door number 1. We have where you put the laundry, I'm assuming.
Yep, laundry, your laundry space.
Yeah.
Your outlet there, you have your laundry connections there, or your water. Gas is on the left here, and then there is the vent for your dryer. So that's really nice. You come into the basement, and now it's time to
Put it away.
to wash your clothes. It's time. All right, let's see what else. What other doors do we have down here? Let's see.
These and those.
I think that's mechanical.
Behind you too. There's a lot of storage.
Yeah, it's a lot of storage. So we came down those stairs, and now we have this here, right? Little storage room. We have our gas meter right there. Okay. You know who you are, gas company. That's for you. In the comment section. Let us know how happy you are with the gas company in the wintertime, right? In Chicago. Furnace your mechanicals.
Water heater.
Okay. So to everyone out there who wants to buy, one of the biggest thing that Vernice and I preach when we're helping you buy your house in Chicago or in Illinois or in Indiana, so to speak, is the biggest thing that you have to worry about are mechanicals, roof, windows, and does water come in the property. That's like the biggest thing, right?
Yep.
Everything else is really kind of cosmetic. So you always want to make sure that you get yourself you do yourself a nice little home inspection whenever you're going to buy a house. But what else, Vernice, do we have?
The bathroom. I love this one. It's gorgeous.
Oh, this is, yeah, you were telling me
I don't
about
know
it
what
earlier.
it's about, like this lighter, like tan beige color with white. I think it's so fancy. But look at this. Now I can step in one of these.
There you go.
Ta-da! Oh, it's one of those rainfall.
Well, there you go.
I like it.
Okay, there's a lot of space in there.
Yeah, I like it.
All right.
I like it.
I like it too. Let's take a look here. It's coming out.
Yeah.
Now what else do we have down here? Is it bedrooms or what?
Yeah, another room. It could be a bedroom. It could be a workout room, craft room. Pretty much whatever they want to do. They don't need a guest room.
It's a pretty big room, if you ask me.
Yeah, look at this.
I'm watching you walk around this room like there's all the space in the world, you know?
Well, yeah. So I can have an idea of how big it is.
How many Vernices?
Oh, a few. If this is one, maybe we should ask them how many Vernices fit in
Put
this
it in the
book?
comments. How many Vernices go across?
One.
Go ahead.
Okay, go away so I can kind of count. One,
Okay, 1.
2,
Okay.
3,
Okay.
4, 5.
Man,
5
okay,
Vernices.
five Vernices? Jesus. That's like 3 Tonys. 3
No.
Antonios, that's me.
No, more like probably like 4.
That's like 2.5 Antonios. All right, where are we going? This way now.
Yeah, what else do we have? More space right here. Oh, this is kind of like another tandem room. Maybe, I don't know, this leads to the outside, but more storage.
More storage.
More storage for
That's
sure.
probably a way out, no?
Yeah.
Let's do
Should
it.
I?
Let's do
Or
it.
should I not?
Go for it.
Vámonos.
Yep, there it is.
Yep, there it is.
Cool.
Close it up.
All right, now, let's play a game.
Mm-hmm.
Is that electrical panel labeled or not?
They normally are not, but it probably is because somebody did the work. Let's see how good they did. They
okay.
did.
Well,
It is a new one.
it's new.
It doesn't look new.
Now here's the thing. It looks newer. It's
Newer.
not labeled though. That's actually the legend for the electrical circuits. So what happens is that the inspector will hit this up for labels. They'll just say that, oh, you should really label them because you want to know if this is the living room, the dining room, and whatnot. So while you're buying the house and you're doing an inspection, make sure that that is clearly labeled. If not, you buy the house, figure it out yourself. Have somebody stand upstairs and go, I'm turning it off. Let me know, is it on or is it off? And just for your knowledge, just go ahead and get it labeled. So not bad. Basement's a nice size. This is the ductwork for the heating that we see here, and is it exactly what I would have wanted, how I would want to see it? Maybe not. Maybe the ductwork could have been done differently, but when they did the rehab, they took a look at what was the most important, and they did what they thought was the best. So Now we're gonna come upstairs and we're gonna give you guys just one last bit of information. Okay, so we went to the property. Hopefully you guys like it. We're on the south side of Chicago, right off of the 55 and what is it, California? 55 in California.
We're on 38th.
Okay.
So yeah.
The property is 400,000. Oh, and check the property tax if you could. The property is 400,000, which is technically it's 399, right? And it's been on the market for a little while. Okay, and if you want more information, reach out to us about that. But the other things that we want to point out here is this was a chef's kitchen, quartz countertops.
Yes.
Okay. We are close to plenty of like smaller restaurants, close to the expressway, as we said before. As far as financing is concerned, this will happen easily with an FHA loan, with a conventional loan. Now, the one thing we like telling everybody about rehabs is the taxes probably are going to go up. They're probably going to be different in a year's time or the next time you do an assessment.
An assessment, yeah.
Because, you know, when this place was, when they bought this place originally, it wasn't as fancy. They rehabbed it. And the taxes were probably what they are now. If you did buy this house or any other rehab in the future, you're going to see an increase in property taxes.
Yeah,
Now,
as far as what they have on here, they're listing the taxes as $3,209. But you know, if you're buying the property, we'll definitely figure out if these are up to date or not.
it's going to be really easy financing wise to get in because of the fact that the property taxes are so low. So if you're looking to make a move and you're worried about if whether or not the bank's going to allow you to buy it due to maybe like a debt to income ratio issue that you're dealing with, this is nice. You know, this works out. The taxes aren't $10,000 like they are in some areas of
8,000,
of Illinois. But
Yeah.
Vernice and I are licensed in Illinois. I'm licensed also in Indiana. So if you guys want to see more houses like this in Illinois, we'll do, of course, we're going to do more videos. If you want to buy a house in Illinois, you can reach out to us now, 708-205-7121. Or if you wanted to sell your house and buy another, we can do that. And if you wanted to sell and move to Indiana,
Yep.
or vice versa, sell in Indiana and move to Illinois,
We've done that.
we can do that as well. So,
Yep.
any other notes for the good people of Facebook and YouTube, Rowan?
No, I mean, you like the house, call us. We'll come give you a private tour. And who knows, maybe this might be the one.
This might be the one. Follow us for more, and ask any questions you want about the grants. Comment, like, subscribe, and all that. And man, YouTube got us doing like everything though, right?
Yes, all of that.
I did.
Subscribe, like, comment.
I feel like I should
Follow.
be like, please, please, everybody, comment,
Say-
do it. But we love what we do, and hopefully we get a chance to help you guys out one day. But I'm out. What about you?
Yeah, let's
All right,
go.
let's go.
See you guys soon.